Welcome to my review of MAXMA, a SaaS platform designed to help businesses streamline their operations. MAXMA offers a range of features that cater to businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. In this video, I'll walk you through the platform's interface, its core functionalities, and share my honest thoughts on its performance. As we log into the platform, you'll notice the clean, intuitive design that immediately sets MAXMA apart. The dashboard is well organized, making it easy to access the tools and features you'll need to manage your business operations effectively. Whether you're working on project management, task automation, or data analytics, MAXMA brings everything together in one place. One of the first things you'll notice is the wide array of customizable templates available to help you get started quickly. These templates are designed to cater to different industries, offering solutions that are tailored to the needs of your specific business. This makes MAXMA highly adaptable for various business processes, from marketing campaigns to customer support. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources, so feel free to check them out after watching. Now, let's dive into some of the standout features of MAXMA. The task management tools are incredibly robust, allowing users to assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress all from one screen. The integration with other platforms, like Google Workspace and Slack, makes collaboration seamless. When it comes to pricing, MAXMA offers flexible plans to accommodate businesses with different needs. There's a free trial available for those who want to test the platform before committing to a subscription. For the features and capabilities it offers, the pricing is competitive compared to similar tools on the market. As far as performance goes, I found MAXMA to be fast and responsive. The platform didn't slow down, even when handling large datasets or complex workflows. At the end of the day, MAXMA is a versatile SaaS solution for businesses looking to improve productivity and streamline operations. It's easy to use, offers great customization options, and provides powerful integrations that can enhance your team's workflow. If you're looking for a tool that offers both scalability and simplicity, MAXMA is worth considering. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews and updates on the latest SaaS tools.